What's up guys, it's your favorite Slim Shady here with another video. As you read from the title, you know what's about to go down. But first, if you are new to the channel, just seeing this beautiful face, my name is Rafaya. I am the owner of this channel where there is nothing but your good vibes. If you want some good vibes in your life, I suggest that you click that subscribe button, then turn your post notification on to join the family. If you're not new, I just want to say welcome back to my channel, babies, and thank you so much for your continuous love and support. Without further ado, let's get into the video. In today's Makeup Monday video, I will be showing you guys how I achieved this 90s retro glam look. I've been seeing this trend on TikTok and all over social media where persons are basically redoing the 90s / retro glam look, which is basically the darker shade eyeshadow as your base, topping it off with some metallic eyeshadow along with the black lining of the lips, with the inner lips being red and this dot right here. I know everyone remembers in the 90s when everyone was basically doing their makeup just to top it off with this dot right here. So I think I did a fairly good job. I tried my very best not to use makeup trends that we use today, but for the eyebrows, I just had to, because the 90s eyebrows were just not it. I could not just use the eyebrow pencil and just draw the line. No. But apart from that, I think I did a fairly good job. You let me know how I did in the comment section. Now, without further ado, if you want to see how I achieved this look in detail, continue watching. that is it from me in today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, please remember to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and leave some positive comments. Also, as I mentioned in my previous videos, by Christmas I want to get to approximately 1,000 subscribers or more, so therefore hashtag road to 1,000 subscribers. Please remember to share my content. Also, you can always come on here, use my content for your purposes. Follow me on all my social media platforms at AYAFARRR, that is IFR with 3 R's. Until next time, walk good. Love you guys. Peace.